These are my 2003 Carrier 4-ton 10 SEER straight cool Carrier air conditioners. And these have Copeland Scrolls compressors and R22 refrigerant. And that one just shut off. It's upstairs. As you can see, the logo on the fan motor came off. It's supposed to say Carrier. This one does, though. And unfortunately, my camera won't focus, but serial number, I'll just read it to you, is 4103-18918. The model number is 38 BRC 048370. 41/3 of 2003, and the model number concludes that it is a 10 SEER unit, and it is a 4-ton, 48,000 BTU. And the coils are starting to get dirty. But they're not too bad. Maybe at the end of the summer. Maybe at the end of the summer we'll clean it. And there once again is our pool. And the compressor down in there is indeed a Copeland Scrolls. These also have R22 refrigerant. These are Carrier's base model units. I don't know if you can see them, but it's really bright out, so I may not be able to point the camera correctly. Oh, there. There we go. Those are my AC's disconnect box, and as you can see, that logo says Airwise, which means that these two units are serviced by Airwise, and the Airwise person who services them is like my best friend. Oh my gosh. Oh, get off of me.
Hey, come here, buddy. You know what's a little weird?